What's going on, guys? Caleb's Property Maintenance. Thanks for joining me for another episode. So I just finished up a great day of mowing, guys. Really awesome. Got a lot of work done, and I'm just about caught up, I think, from all the rain we had last week. I was only able to mow on Tuesday last week, guys. That was the only day I could mow. All the rest of the days were rain. So I am struggling, but I'm getting caught up. So wait a second, guys. Huh? Lawnmower's in the back of the truck? What? What's going on here? You know, all the stuff is in here. Where's the trailer at, guys? I don't see it down there. I don't see it anywhere around here. Huh. I wonder where it is. Oh well, I got somewhere I have to go tonight, so I gotta get going. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.